He stopped coming to lectures. He basically just disappeared. There was this one week where he slept in class and he never came back to the class again. He wanted to go to the bathroom. I really shouldn't have, but I just left him. He was once studying in class, but after that class was over, I never saw him again. What we have here, it's just a classic story of somebody who just disappeared. Where? I don't know. I'm sorry if that was too suspenseful, but from here on out, this video is just going to be chill. So I've been missing a lot of university lectures as well as tutorials. But let me turn back time. When I was in week 1 of university, I basically had a goal. That was a young man's goal. Before university started, I thought I could reach those goals, but the truth is, I never gave myself any thumbs up or even a flying kick. When I was in the earlier weeks of university, it was kind of chill because there wasn't any assignments and there wasn't any deadlines. But suddenly when the assignments come in, everything just becomes extremely hectic. Let me show you something. That is why it's hard to balance everything out. But here are some ways which I actually use to help me manage my time. One of the ways I actually manage multiple deadlines is that if I have one assignment, but I already know that I already passed in that module, I'm not going to worry about that assignment so much. And I would worry more about the other assignments. And sometimes I feel quite bad because I'm cramming everything to the last minute. I tell myself I should have studied more in week 1 and week 2 and I should have attended more lectures and more tutorials and all that. And all of these thoughts of what ifs in the past come flooding in. But there's this quote from the Kung Fu Panda movie. It goes like this: quit, don't quit.
Noodles, don't noodles.
You are too concerned of what was and what will be. There's a saying.
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift.
That is why it's called the present. So whenever I think of crap, I should have studied more when I was in week 1 and week 2 of university, I just tell myself, stop worrying about the past and stop worrying about the future. Just focus on now. So in my conclusion, when I was in year 1 of university, I thought of a plan so that I wouldn't need to cram all my work till the last minute in year 2. And when I was in year 2 of university, I thought of another plan so I wouldn't cram all my work last minute. But now I'm in year 3 of university and I'm still cramming all my work till the last minute. Because I feel like in week 10 and in week 11 of university, you just have like a lot of deadlines which just start to like pile up together. And I think sometimes it's just inevitable to like cram all your work. So I just want to say it's normal if you like cramming all your work. Just stop worrying about the past and stop worrying about what could have been done better and just focus on the now. And you might feel burnt out in week 10 and in week 11 of university. So make sure to like surround yourself with like your classmates and your friends and work together. People help the people. Alright, that's it for this video and thank you for watching. Goodbye.